Hi, in front of me I have XIAOMI Watch S1 and I'm gonna show you how to connect this watch to the Wi-Fi network and how to disconnect it from the Wi-Fi network. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. To do it, simply press the upper button. After you wake up the screen, press the upper button again to open the menu. Now, scroll through this menu, find the settings icon and tap on it. This is the settings icon. In settings, scroll down and select the option called Wi-Fi. Here, we can enable or disable the Wi-Fi. So if you want to connect to the network, you need to enable it like this by tapping the switch. And as you can see, now we have the list of networks we can connect to. This is the list of nearby networks. Find the network you want to connect to, tap on it. And now you need to enter the password in the application on your phone that is paired with your watch. So let's tap on got it. Open the app like this. Don't tap on got it, simply tap on the network. And once the app is opened, you should get the pop-up right here. So let's tap on the password and give me a second. I'm gonna enter the password. And once you enter the password, you can tap on continue. I already tapped on it. And it should connect to the network at this point. As you can see, it says connecting and then connected. So it connected to our network. So now our watch is connected to the Wi-Fi network. Okay. And if you want to disconnect the watch from the Wi-Fi network, simply open the settings again. Tap on Wi-Fi, find the network you want to disconnect from. This one, tap on it. And it's gonna disconnect from the network after you tap on it. And if you want to connect to it again, simply tap on it again. Quite simple, like that. You can also simply disable the Wi-Fi network to not connect to any network at all. Okay, and that's how you connect to the Wi-Fi network and disconnect from the Wi-Fi network on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.